Okay, welcome again to my class. Now we will discuss about another original fermented food from Indonesia. It is dadih. Dadih is a dairy fermentation like yogurt and kefir, but it is derived from buffalo milk that fermented traditionally. Dadih is made traditionally from buffalo milk, which puts into bamboo tubes and covered with banana leaves that have been preheated before by withered on fire. Then it's incubated at room temperature around 27 up to 33 degrees of Celsius for 2 days. In this traditional method, make it possible to involve various types of microorganisms that interact with each other. The involving microorganisms consist of bacteria and yeast. Microorganisms that play a role in the process are originated from the inner surface of bamboo tube, surface of covering leaf, and of buffalo milk itself. This product has long been known and liked by local community as a side dish, snacks, a complement to traditional ceremonies, and as a traditional medicine. It is different from both yogurt and kefir, even though all of them are fermented products. It almost resembles tofu, can be cut and consumed using spoon. Based on the table, we can see that dadih has more alkaline, so it is safer for patients with risk of gastric acid. Besides that, dadih has a significantly better protein value, less carbohydrate, so it is safer for hyperglycemic patients. In addition, dadih also has higher yeast. That's why it is such a good probiotic and very good to consume. Before we go on with dadih as probiotics, let's refresh our material about probiotic itself. Not all bacteria and microorganisms in our digestive tract are harmful. In fact, some are helpful and even good for health. They live in human gut. These living microorganisms include bacteria, archaea, eukaryotes, and viruses. They cooperate with ingested bacteria to maintain metabolic homeostasis that is shown in this picture. Probiotic is a term that generally refers to dietary supplements or foods. It is similar to normally beneficial bacteria and organisms found in your body. Medical experts agree that probiotic supplements are not necessary part of a healthy diet, but they may be helpful in some cases. Probiotics can be found naturally in yogurt and unfermented milk, miso, some juices, and soy drinks. There's been a growing public and scientific interest in probiotics in recent years, and researchers are investigating them for a number of possible uses. There is encouraging evidence that they may help to treat diarrhea and inflammation in colon surgery. It also treats vaginal yeast, urinary tract infection, bladder cancer recurrence, intestinal infection, and IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. Okay, now we move to dadih as the Indonesian original probiotics. Consuming probiotic as biotherapies for improving gut health and treating disorders. Moreover, probiotic organisms enhance gastrointestinal health, immunomodulation, generation of essential micronutrients, and the prevention of cancer. The probiotic beneficials are portrayed in the figure. When these two of probiotic and probiotic extract work together, they accelerate their performance of mechanism to boost immunity. First, to promote a good balance of gut flora. The second is to improve the activity of beneficial microbes and produce the metabolites. And the last for stimulate immune systems. Now we go on to microbiota in dadih. The first study by Manan in 1998, Dadih originated from Bukit Tinggi, contains Leuconostoc paramesenteroides, which is the dominant strain of lactic acid bacteria. Another study by Surono in 2015 found that Lactobacillus species, Lactococcus species, and Leuconostoc species are dominant in Dadih from Bukit Tinggi and Padang Panjang. Lactobacillus plantarum is mostly found in Dadih, has some characteristics as follows. Lactobacillus plantarum is widely distributed species in most fermented products from animal and plant. This strain is accepted in the European Food Safety Authority, qualified presumption of safety of microorganisms in food and feed. The latest research found that the strain has an ability to remove the cyanobacterial toxin microcystin, or LR-MCLR, from aqua solution at 22 up to 37 degrees of Celsius. And this is the last chapter, the beneficial health from microbiota in Dadih. First, Enterococcus faecium IS 16183 and Lactobacillus plantarum IS 10506 in certain strain are significantly inhibiting the addition of Escherichia coli O157H7. Well, that's all the explanation about Dadih. See you on the next discussion. Thank you.